Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Amazon's Kindle COLORSOFT and Paperwhite 2024 e-readers share striking similarities in design and build quality. Both devices boast a sleek, ergonomic form factor that feels comfortable in hand. However, upon closer inspection, subtle differences emerge. The COLORSOFT's back panel offers a smoother, more premium feel, while the Paperwhite's matte finish provides a more grippy texture. These design nuances set the stage for a deeper comparison. The COLORSOFT's refined back panel exudes luxury, whereas the Paperwhite's textured surface prevents accidental drops. As we explore further, key factors such as display, performance, battery life, and value will be scrutinized. The question remains, is the allure of color worth the extra cost? Will the COLORSOFT's color capabilities justify the additional expense, or will the Paperwhite's monochrome display suffice? A thorough examination of these e-readers will uncover the answers, helping readers make informed decisions. A colorful affair or timeless black and white. The Kindle COLORSOFT and Paperwhite display technologies mark a significant divergence. The COLORSOFT boasts a 7-inch color e-ink display, ushering in a vibrant and immersive reading experience. Although colors are muted and contrast isn't as sharp as traditional LCD screens, this represents a substantial leap forward for e-readers. In contrast, the Paperwhite retains its 6.8-inch e-ink carded display, renowned for exceptional contrast, reduced eye strain, and a paper-like reading experience. This makes it ideal for extended reading sessions. The display choice between the two Kindles ultimately hinges on individual preferences. The COLORSOFT is tailored for graphic novels, magazines, and children's books, where color enhances the reading experience. Conversely, the Paperwhite is suited for long-form texts, novels, and academic reading, where clarity and contrast take precedence. This dichotomy empowers readers to select the Kindle that best aligns with their reading habits and preferences. Performance and features. The Kindle COLORSOFT and Paperwhite share identical processing power, delivering snappy performance and quick page turns. Their software experience is also largely identical, offering adjustable font sizes, customizable reading modes, and seamless integration with Amazon's vast digital library. Users can access features like bookmarks, highlights, and annotations, ensuring a rich reading experience. A notable distinction lies in COLORSOFT's ability to display images and comics in color, enhancing the visual experience for graphic novels, comic books, and illustrated publications. However, it's essential to consider the limitations of e-ink technology, which may affect color accuracy and overall image quality. While color representation may vary and appear subdued, COLORSOFT's color capabilities open new possibilities for visual content. Users seeking vibrant color representation may find this feature appealing, while others may prioritize Paperwhite's exceptional monochrome display. Ultimately, the choice between the COLORSOFT and Paperwhite hinges on individual reading preferences and priorities. The verdict, color or clarity. Ultimately, the choice between the Kindle COLORSOFT and Paperwhite comes down to personal preference and reading habits. If you're a fan of graphic novels, comics, or books with illustrations, COLORSOFT's color display might be a tempting proposition. However, the Paperwhite remains the superior choice for those who prioritize pure reading enjoyment and eye comfort. The Kindle COLORSOFT and Paperwhite cater to different reading preferences. The COLORSOFT offers a unique color display experience, ideal for graphic novels, comics, and illustrated books. However, its color accuracy and contrast are limited. In contrast, the Paperwhite excels in contrast and readability, making it perfect for long reading sessions. Although it lacks a color display, it provides a traditional e-reader experience that many users appreciate. Ultimately, both devices deliver exceptional reading experiences. The COLORSOFT's color display adds a new dimension, but comes at a higher price, and with compromises on color accuracy and contrast. The Paperwhite offers a refined experience, making it a compelling choice for most users seeking crisp text, long battery life, and affordability. The decision between the two devices hinges on individual priorities. The COLORSOFT suits visual content enthusiasts, while the Paperwhite is ideal for avid readers seeking a classic e-reader experience. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and insights.